friends. I'm going to read you a story today, and the title is Little Penguin Gets the Hiccups. What do you do when you get the hiccups to get rid of them? Let's see what Penguin does. Oh, hello. It's so nice to meet you. Franklin said you would be here soon. I wonder if you might be able to help. You may have noticed that I've got a terrible case of the hiccups. It's driving me cuckoo. It all started last week on chili night. I'm not sure how many penguins you know, but let me give you some advice. Never give chili to a penguin. It gives us hiccups. I can't get rid of them. Frederick told me to stand on my head. Chester told me to drink backward from a cup. Albert told me to stand on my head while drinking backward from a cup. Nothing works. But Franklin has given me a new idea, and I need your help. Apparently, giving someone a good scare is the surest, bestest way to cure hiccups. So I need you to scare me. Everybody try and scare the penguin to help him get rid of his hiccups. But I don't really like being scared, so please be nice. You're going to say boo on 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Boo! Is that it? Let's try again. Louder this time. 1, 2, 3. Boo! Pretty scary. Maybe that cured my Will I have the hiccups forever? One more time. Shout, go crazy. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Roar! Franklin, what on earth are you doing? You told me to stand here and wait for a good scare, and then you go and jump out on me. So now my feathers are all wet, and my mom will go bonkers because she just washed these the other day. Now I'll have to wait until I'm ready to be scared again. Hey, hold on a second. My hiccups, they're gone. Oh, thank you ever so much. Let's celebrate with a nice, spicy taco. The end. And oh no, he got his hiccups back when he ate the taco. But it did work. Great jobs, friends, trying to scare him so he could get rid of his hiccups. I hope you enjoyed the story. Bye.